What's up, Tech Heart? Dude, D.H.H released Omarchy 2.0, and we're going to check it out tonight. What's interesting about this Hyprland theme is it's now released in an ISO file. So, we'll download Omarchy 2.0, we'll burn the ISO using Boolean Etcher, Rufus, or the DD command if you're a Linux terminal rockstar, and we'll install the ISO on this ThinkPad and get Omarchy 2.0 running. Omarchy is the coolest Hyprland theme released by D.H.H, the developer of Ruby on Rails, and it is just hardcore, guys. So let's dive on in and get this sucker going. If you're not subscribed to Tech Heart, it really helps the channel, and I wish you'd give us a like and a sub, and I think we can earn it. I'll catch you on the screen capture. Let's dive on in for Omarchy 2.0! Okay, Rockstars, I'm booted into Ventoy, but if you burn the ISO to a USB stick, you'll boot right into Omarchy. I just have to scroll down here and pick Omarchy 2.0. Let's go! Now that Omarchy has its own ISO, its installation is super simple, cat daddies. Let's just get booted in and see what we got. Looks pretty much just like Arch Linux. Okay, here we select our locale. I'm English US. This is interesting. We can manually configure Wi-Fi with IWCTL. So I think this is a good time that I'll show that, and then we can retry by running automatedscript.sh. Okay, and there's a period on that automated script. So I'm going to exit out, and see right there we can retry with that command right there. So I know my Wi-Fi details, so we can do IWCTL -- passphrase, and then your password. We'll do station WLAN 0, because that's my Wi-Fi, and connect in your Wi-Fi's name. Okay, let's give that a minute, and we'll test it with ping 8.8.8.8, and yeah, we're connected, so cool. Now, if your Wi-Fi connected automatically in the script, you wouldn't have had to do this, but we'll rerun that with /automated_script.sh, and let's try this again, shall we? We're all good. What's our account username? Well, for us, it's going to be TechHeart. We'll give it a password. And a full name. Well, we are TechHeart. Email address, techheart2022@gmail.com. Host name, we'll just use return for Omarchy. Time zone, we need America. /Los Angeles, baby. Does all this look good? I think so. Now we're going to select our install disk. For me, that's SDA. Boom! And we're going to overwrite that entire disk. Yes, format that disk, Bob. With this new version of Omarchy, it's going to format and partition our disk and install all of the Omarchy packages, helper apps, and applications that it needs. Can't be any easier than this, rockstars. D.H.H is really cool for releasing this Hyprland theme and setup. It's super nice, and with version 2.0, we're in for a treat, Tech Heart.
Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta...
And holy crap, Omarchy is doing its thing. We're done. So we're going to reboot now, and we will remove our USB installer. USB removed. Booting into Omarchy 2.0, baby. Booyah! Look at that beautiful unlock screen. And boom, here we are, running Omarchy. Let's take a look around. Over here, we have batteries. I think if I press enter on that, it pulls up the battery profile. I'm gonna select performance. Let me hover on that. It shows my battery life. This looks like CPUs. If I click it, oh yeah, we get B-top, baby. Here's sound. There we go, that shows. If I click it, I get, is this pulse audio or something? Oh, there we go. This is flipping nice, huh guys? Oh yeah. Showing that microphone. We got config. Pull down a little drop here. This is pretty sweet. We go over to Wi-Fi. We get our Wi-Fi infos. And if we press enter, we get network infos. Bluetooth. I'll need to turn this to dark mode. I think he should have done that. And over here, it looks like a logout button, right? Oh, and that's input method. I'm not getting anything with enter on that. Okay, so that's cool. I know we can click on the date up here, and it changes it. These are our different workspaces. However, there is no gestures right now, so I'm going to add that into our config a little later. And over here, this is one of the coolest things about Omarchy. It's the Omarchy menu. You can either click right here or Super Alt Space. And check this cool menu out. First, we have all of our applications. We can pull that up and skim through. No page down, just up, down. Let's talk a little bit about this. Omarchy does come heavy with apps. So it has Zoom and X and WhatsApp and 1Password, Alacrity, ChatGPT, Chromium, Discord, Basecamp, Docker, a bunch of Google stuff, Caden Live, LibreOffice, I like to see that. Local Send, I'm a real fan of Local Send. OBS Studio, Obsidian. So it's heavy, it has a lot of stuff. Signal, Spotify. So those are our apps. We can pull that back up with Super Alt Space. And we can go to Learn. Oh yeah, look at this. We can find all of our Omarchy key bindings right here. That's super duper helpful. I didn't even know that Super W closed Windows, but you can open this up and get all of your keybinds, which is really cool. We can pull up the Omarchy docs or the Hyprland wiki or the Arch wiki. It's pretty cool. I'll open Omarchy. Look at that. Really cool that we have all of our documentation right here by D.H.H. and it looks freaking cool. This is awesome, you guys. What do y'all think? Let's keep stepping through here. That's it for that. What does it pull up for Bash in the Learn section? Oh, Bash cheat sheet. This is killer, man. This is killer. Okay, let's go down. We can probably do a screen capture. We can toggle. What are we going to toggle? Okay, we can toggle different stuff. Idle lock, top bar. This is cool, man. This is set up really good. Let's look at our style. We have theme, font, background, screensaver, and about. I'll click about. Okay, this is editing a config file. If I'm correct, I think this is the Omarchy logo. So that's the about.txt. Let's check out setup. Oh, cool. We can do audio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all of our setup stuff. This is really cool, guys. I'm going to click on config. And yeah, here's all the different Hyprland config files. D.H.H has it set up a little bit weird. It's not weird, actually. It's actually a cool way to do it. But let's look at the main hyprland.conf. And you'll see this just sources all of the other .conf files. So everything's in here. I'm going to show you one thing that I got confused on, though. Let me get back in there. So I want to go to, I think it was setup and config. Let's go to the bindings. Oh, it doesn't have bindings in here. Okay, I'll show you that in a minute. We can install. What can we install? Okay, we can install a package or from the AUR, a web app. This is cool, man. I am really a fan of this. This is awesome. So you can install, remove, update, about, and system. Probably power off and down. Click about real quick. Yeah, there we go. So that's the Omarchy icon in the other about page we saw. And I'm just going to run an update to see what that looks like. We can update Omarchy, the config, themes, process. So this is all just Omarchy stuff. Let's run an Omarchy update and see what happens. I mean, we just installed it, so it probably pulled nothing. But yeah, this is really awesome, man. What do you guys think? I think this is a really cool Hyprland setup, and I think I'm going to be using this Omarchy 2.0. After this is done, I'm going to jump in the command line and show you a couple things that I observed, and then we'll make some changes and just talk a little bit more about Omarchy, and maybe we'll look at some of the unique stuff Omarchy comes with. So since I updated, it needs reboot, but you'll be back now. Okay, so let's dive a little deeper. So do Super Alt Space, and let's go down here to Setup, Config. Okay, and we don't have our key bindings here. We're going to jump into the terminal, Super Enter, and we'll move into .config Hyprland, or Hyper. We can see our bindings.conf here. Would it make it easier if I made this a bit bigger for us? And I'm going to edit bindings.conf because I want to add gestures. Let's make it so that 3-finger left and right swipes move our workspaces. This recently changed in Hyprland, so now we just do gesture equals 3, left, workspace, and gesture equals 3, right, workspace. Then we'll do maybe a gesture equals 4, up, full screen. And we'll do gesture equals 4, down, close. And I guess I'll make these all 4 so it's universal. So we got 4-finger left, right, up, down swipes. Let's see if we get that going. With the hyperctl reload. Okay, the 4-finger up works and 4-finger down to close. That works, but doesn't seem like our workspaces are working. Just gonna open Chromium here so it delineates, and then we know that on our second workspace we have our terminal. So if I do a 4-finger left, there it goes, but my 4-finger right is not working. Actually, that's flipped around. If I do a 4-finger right, that works, but my 4-finger left does not. Okay, so let's move back into that Hyper, and we'll do Vim on bindings again. Make it bigger. I think I messed up. Let's delete these, and we'll do a gesture equals 4, horizontal, workspace. Okay, there. So that's all we need. That works both left and right. So with these quick changes, we can go 4 up for full screen. Doing 4 up again goes back, so you can have quick full screen. We can move left and right, and then let me save that first. And now if I do a down, that closes. So I can do down here, and that closes. And now we've added gestures, and I think that's pretty cool. Now let's open up a terminal, make it a little bigger for us. Let's go check out this setup a little more. So again, we can do a Super Alt Space, and in here we can go through Setup and Config. To get deeper into Omarchy setup, we have our hyprland.conf and all of our different Hyper helper apps. So that's how we can change our Hyper helper apps. However, we have our monitors. We have our input. Ooh, there's some cool stuff in there. Let's edit input.conf. Let's just scroll down a little bit. For the workspace switching, I used to add it here in Touchpad. I happen to know that I like natural scroll, so I'll set that to 2. And I like 2-finger clicks for right click instead of the lower right corner, so I'll set that. And yeah, that's interesting. You used to set up your workspace changes here, but the Hyprland wiki has changed that now. So at any rate, here in your .config/hyper, you do have some other .conf files that you can use. Here's all of our bindings. I'm gonna go over to workspace number 2, and I want to get those key bindings up there. Where was that at? In help or learn? Key bindings. Cool. Can I just leave that on screen for a while? Oh, well, it's going to be right up on the screen. I don't like that page up and page down don't work. I'd love to get through these real quick, but we can also see all of our key binds here in the bindings.conf. Super in return for terminal, Super F for file manager, Super B for browser. Let's check out what browser do they use. Okay, that's going to be Chromium. We can add Brave browser, and then we'll just have to find this browser variable and change it to Brave. Super M for music, which I think is Spotify. Super M. You can scan into your Spotify. Super N for NeoVim. Bang, baby! Super T for activity. What's that? B-top. Super D for Docker. Lazy Docker, baby. Super G for Signal. Just opens up some kind of web app, I think. Super O for Obsidian. Right on, dude. Super slash for passwords. I'll have to change this for me to Bitwarden. And yeah, on and on and on. Super A for ChatGPT. And at any rate, you can change all that right here in the hyperconfig folder. I really like this. Ooh, one more thing I want to show are these screensavers. However, I don't think I can pull them anywhere right here, so I'm just going to let this sucker run, and it'll pop up here with a little bit of video editing. Ooh, look at that. We've got a matrix rain. These screensavers will cycle through too. So, as we get out of here, this was Omarchy 2.0, and TechHeart is going out. Enjoy the screensavers, and tell me in the comments below if Omarchy 2.0 itches your scratch, because it does for TechHeart. Out!